back the overall good vibes that I see here. Otherwise, my job requires something else. But whenever I interact with students like you, the day is made. It's good vibes all around. So thank you for having me here. Especially when I was watching you do the parade or just interacting with your faculty members, I was told that you're organized according to your batches and you're participating in an inter-batch competition. This takes me back to my own college days and my days spent at National Police Academy, where I'll talk about my college days. In IIT Kharagpur, we have very prestigious general championships, which we call as GCs. These are like life and death events for us, and we had them in 3 different streams. One is the so-called one, in which I would take active part in. Then there was technology, in which if you know SP Eluru, who is also from IIT KGP and a big tech freak, so he would lead the tech GC there. And then of course we had the sports GC. So these are really the moments where you get to participate with your friends, learn a new sport which will go on to become your hobby when you enter professional life. So I urge all of you to cherish these moments and develop a new hobby, a new sporting hobby. And I know that I'm addressing medicos. You all literally study the human body. So nobody better than you exists to tell you how important it is to be physically fit, to take good care of your body, to have good movement. Nobody knows it better than you. So a lot of times we tend to not practice what we already know. So please do take care of your physical fitness, and no better way than sporting to do that. Alongside that, I know that you undergo a lot of academic rigor. So you also need to have a balanced approach, take care of your mental health, bring an aspect of balance to your daily lives. So let the games be fair today, let the competition be fierce, but lose with grace and win with humility. Before I conclude, I just want to leave you with one comparison that I find that being a doctor is very much like being a public servant. Your job is very much public facing. Day in and day out you interact with a lot of people, and you need to make your patient feel received, spoken to, heard, and then treated. So for that, of course, you need academic excellence, which all of you all have. Of course, you need concentration and attention to detail, but you also need a lot of patience and empathy. So I feel like that comes from the team building activity that a sport is. So please do take part in that. And before I leave you all, when you all become doctors, which is soon enough, you will be healing thousands of people in your professional life. But somewhere down the line, because of the stress of your working life, your professional life, you may forget to heal yourself. Please don't do that. Please have the time for yourself, for your me time. Take care of your body, soul, and your brain, because we need you in the brightest minds of the country to be in the best shape to care for the future India. Once again, thank you so much for having me here. It's a pleasure. Jai Hind.